Certainly. Here's a quick 10-minute full-body workout that you can do on busy days. Perform each exercise for 1 minute with minimal rest in between. Adjust the intensity based on your fitness level, and remember to prioritize proper form over speed. 1. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your arms and legs. Land softly and repeat. 2. Bodyweight squats, 1 minute. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Keep your chest up and back straight. Return to the starting position. 3. Push-ups, 1 minute. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the ground by bending your elbows. Push back up to the starting position. 4. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Get into a plank position. Bring one knee toward your chest and then switch legs quickly. Keep a fast pace. 5. Plank, 1 minute. Hold a plank position with your body in a straight line. Engage your core and keep your back flat. 6. Reverse lunges, 1 minute. Stand with feet together. Step back with one foot, lowering your hips. Return to the starting position and switch legs. 7. Tricep dips, 1 minute. Sit on the edge of a chair or bench with your hands gripping the edge. Slide your hips off the edge and lower your body. Push back up using your triceps. 8. High knees, 1 minute. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Run in place, bringing your knees as high as possible. 9. Burpees, 1 minute. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat position and kick your feet back. Perform a push-up, then jump back to the squat position. Explosively jump up from the squat position. 10. Russian twists, 1 minute. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and lean back slightly. Rotate your torso, bringing your hands from one side of your body to the other. Remember to warm up before starting and cool down afterward. Adjust the intensity and duration based on your fitness level and listen to your body. This quick workout targets multiple muscle groups and gets your heart rate up, making it an effective option for busy days.